What if a single bug could cost your company millions, or worse, your reputation? You already know, today software testing isn't optional, it's non-negotiable. Hi, I'm Dejan, an IT professional with over a decade of experience in Agile development and risk management. I created a software testing mastery to help you build real-world skills that make you stand out. Great testers do more than find bugs. They protect product quality, save time and money, and play a key role in every successful tech team. These skills open doors to new roles and long-term career growth. So here are 4 things you will discover: how to catch costly bugs early before they reach your users, master both exploratory and automated testing so you have never to choose between speed and quality, use tools like Selenium and Postman to automate repetitive tasks and free up your time for innovation, and build software that's not just functional but bulletproof regarding performance, security, and compliance. And this isn't just high-level theory. You will get practical, real-world examples from startups and my own field experience, so you can confidently collaborate with QA teams, developers, and executives. So whether you are just starting in software testing, exploring a career in QA, a manager waiting to understand testing better, or stakeholder looking for insights, this course helps you become a valuable part of the $6 trillion tech industry. If your product is your reputation, then testing is your insurance. Let's build something unbreakable together. Enroll now and make bug-free your new normal. I'll see you inside the course.